If you are looking for a design tool, then there are many to choose from. However, there are a few that actually stand out from the rest. Today, we're going to have a look at Looka, we're going to have a look at Canva, and we're going to have a look at Adobe Express. We want to know which one is best suited for your specific needs because, after all, you're an individual. So let's check them out. Alright, so here we are in Looka, and Looka is an AI-powered logo design tool to really help you bring your ideas to life. And I speak now from a personal place because my design capabilities are not amazing. So an app like Looka with its AI-driven creation allows you to really create things that you would never be able to do without. So it's got machine learning algorithms which generate professional logos based on your preferences. So all you have to do is feed it your ideas. It's got no design expertise needed, and it has a really intuitive interface. You can customize your logos to your industry, your style preferences, and even color choices. So it's got a lot of customization options. Also, it's got a brand kit. So if you are working with one brand, if you're doing your own logo, then it's got a consistent asset which is across all of your platforms. It's got full customization. You can adjust your color, font, layouts, everything. Also, it's got hundreds of business cards and social media platform templates which you can use and just customize to be your own. Over here, you can see it's got workflows and outputs. So you can actually enter your business name and select design preferences, and then AI creates multiple logo variations. Then you can fine tune your selected design. And once you have fine tuned it, made all the changes that you need, you can actually download it in many different formats, whichever you are going to need. Having a look at Canva now, Canva is amazing and nothing less than amazing. You get professional slides with animations, you get posters, flyers, and marketing materials. You get perfectly sized posts for all of your platforms. You get animated content for social platforms. It's got tons of amazing features. You can also see that it has collaboration features, so you get real-time team editing, which makes group projects seamless. It also has a brand kit. You can store your logos, colors, fonts all in one single spot, and then you can apply your branding to any design within one click. So let's say you find a template, it looks amazing, and you just want to make a couple changes. You can actually apply your brand kit in one single click. So it'll take your logo, your colors, your fonts, styles, everything, and apply it to that template. Also, you can access millions, and when I say millions, I literally mean millions, stock images, icons, videos, audio tracks. There's so much more. There's no need to switch between multiple platforms. It's got tons of everything to offer. So also a couple of their use cases. It supports endless creativity possibilities for social posts to printable materials. You can export in a number of different formats. You can use it on your mobile device. You can use it on your computer, your desktop, your Mac, and you can sync your account, and changes are made in real time. So if you've made some changes on your mobile device and you jump onto your desktop, those changes are done immediately. So it really, really is a super tool. Let's have a look at Adobe Express now. And Adobe Express also has fantastic features. So you can choose from thousands of professional designs for any purpose. You can add text, images, and you can apply Adobe's premium effects. However, you will need to pay for those premium effects. You can also download it in multiple formats, or you can publish it directly to platforms, which is also quite convenient because you don't have to download it and then upload it to wherever you need it to be. You can see over here, it's got AI-powered tools. It can remove backgrounds, it can apply text effects, and it can make quick edits with intelligent assistants. It also maintains consistent colors, fonts, and logos across all of your designs with its brand management. And then it has premium typography, so you can access the entire Adobe font library for distinctive text treatments if you have the premium or the paid version. Also, you can plan and publish social content directly from the platform, so you can actually plan it on a calendar, which of course is amazing. You can do it all in one space. You can see over here, it is a powerful design tool that combines creative capabilities with intuitive workflows, and it aims to make professional level design accessible to literally anyone. Beyond the core design tools, Adobe Express also offers advanced creative features. You can actually leverage their AI-powered capabilities to enhance your designs. You can automate tasks and you can personalize your content. It also unlocks new levels of creativity and productivity for both individual creators as well as teams. Overall, it really is a fantastic tool, and it is designed to be user-friendly. I would go ahead and give it a go. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, with so many options available out there, it is always a good thing to go ahead and try all of your options, narrow them down to maybe 2 or 3, and check out what really works for you. If this video was truly helpful, go ahead and drop us a like. We really appreciate the support. You can go ahead and subscribe for more awesome content, and we'll see you next time.